go, first cast. Move the GoPro to the other side so the sun ain't in it. I brought stuff to make breakfast. I brought the burner and I left the propane and my fishing pools. Been like an hour. Finally made it back. Got my pole tied up. Big waste of time this morning, but it's not too late. You'll notice here that as soon as I started talking, the line went slack and then it started to pull. All right, we got the eggs on. Boom. Oh, shoot. Catching food while making food. Alright, right here at Rancho. Right here at Rancho, got my sausage, got my eggs. Caught one fish so far. I think I'm gonna rig up another pool. This guy over here just gave us some mackerel for catfish, so we're gonna see if we can't catch one of those. And then just kick it for a little bit until lunchtime, and then hopefully fry up some trout. Actually, for sure, fry up some trout. We already caught some, so it's going down. Hey. Sick. That was on green, bro. You got a full can of green. Nice. Single bucket. So, the reason we've been using this bucket, it's not something we would normally do, but we got a stringer in the or two in Luke's freezer, and then we lost the other stringer. It's somewhere on that bird's mouth probably still. So if you guys remember yesterday, there's all the fish we lost. There's a boomerang with a stringer with like 6 fish on it, and it looks like a bunch of string got attached to our stringer that we lost yesterday, and there's a trout dragging behind it. So it looks like I think he swallowed the trout with the stringer, and the stringer's coming out of his mouth, along with some string that got stuck to the stringer sometime yesterday. Alright, the boomerang with the trout is now being chased by 2 swans or whatever kind of birds these are. Poor fella. Here's the boomerang right here with the stringer in its mouth. I'm gonna try and approach it. It's just gonna take off though. Also some type of animal in the bush right here. Some type of bird or something, I think.
firmly grasp.
Want to keep him?
Yeah.
Luke is just collecting.
Here, go to the bathroom so then I'll be able to reel in your pole when it gets hit. Go.
Touch me with your perfect finger, boy.
I'm gonna go like this. You got some heavy ass hands, bro. Oh my god, that's a waste. You owe me a new power paint.
Why? It's right there.
No, bro. I'm talking about a whole nother jar, bro. $5.99.
Alright, real quick, I'm going to cut a line from here to here. And then behind the head a little bit, pull the whole thing off. If you guys want to see that in the full video, you can check out this video right here. Here we go. Alright, same thing on the other side. You? Alright. Boom, boom. Alright, right here with a little bit of oil. That oil?
Oh, oil.
Oil.
Oh.
Get it nice and hot.
Pour it in there?
Set one side down, yeah. And we'll just season one side. Throw a little seasoning on that boil. If you guys check out some of the other videos on the channel, I've cooked trout a ton of different ways, but today we were going egg, flour, egg, and then to a bag of panko.
Bro, what? What? I'm cooking right now, alright? Five fish. Yeah. Oh, that shit's gonna be fire, bro. Hey, I did eat fish in the bed, so this is gonna be good.
Like this? Like
Yeah.
this fish? Yeah.
I don't know about fish. I don't know how they made it, but it was fish. So.
That's by Adam J? No, Marvin.
Oh, you really fried it. I'm crying.
We just got that trout cooked up. We're about to dip out right now and go to Bass Pro. Get some stuff for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be filming a video catching a lightning trout. If all goes to plan, right, Luke?
Yes, sir.
But let's try this trout. Crunchy. Fire. I almost thought the heat was too high and I was gonna burn it, but it seems like with the heat a little bit higher, it came out a lot crunchier. Bomb. Yeah. Alright. See y'all next spot, or it's the end of the video.
Yorba tomorrow.
Yep. So I don't know if it's gonna be the same video or if I'm gonna mix them up, but I'll see y'all at Yorba Linda.